Always ready. Go.
It's the beautiful door. Welcome in.
Hello. This is how beautiful it is and dark. This is the first art suite. Cool. Let's go into the second one. Cross. Art suite number 2. Sarah's little seat. And then you've got ice bed. What is this one meant to be?
I don't know, what does hibernate mean?
Hibernate. Oh, bear cave.
Ah, it's a bear cave then.
And then you've got your little hole up here. See, every room has a hole. Number 4.
The labyrinth sound.
The labyrinth.
I love this one here.
Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh.
Look at the walls, they have different cracks in them, different patterns. So it shows more from the other side.
How cool is that?
I like this one.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah. It is like a labyrinth. Not a very hard one, but it is one.
Oh, this one.
Oh, this is the
You
peacock.
can see it in the plaque. Oh wow. That
That's so cool.
is cool.
If you slept in here, you definitely want the lights on, I think.
Yeah, all night. Beds are huge.
Peacock's feathers are reaching all the way up the bed. Eye suit.
Oh yeah. Mm.
Yeah, it's all
Zigzag. Oh yeah.
It's a real bed here, right?
Real bed of ice. Cool is that? Across. And straight across.
Love caps.
This one's cool. I like this one. This is the one with the seats. Oh. Cool's that? That's cool.
Look, it's like a exhaust or something here.
It's like a chimney.
Yeah.
And then these things move. Cool, huh? And then it's got steps up to your bed. And you can walk around it. Next one. Next one. Fire extinguisher in a nice hotel.
Power of love.
Of love. This one's pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't get.
I don't
Like
get it
the
as much,
theme.
but I understand that that's meant to be like a love heart, maybe. And there's love in these tubes
Going to the bed.
going to the. Maybe.
Or taking love
From the bed
to the light.
to the.
I don't know. It's a cool one. It's something too, so it comes together as one.
Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? And there's the map, just in case you get lost. We're in there somewhere.
X, Y, and Z.
Oh, look at the colors.
Look at the zigzag patterns.
Goes all the way around.
It's like a little hut here.
There's a little changing room, hot. Hello.
Hello. Look
Hello.
at the red thing.
Colors.
On the bed, it's gorgeous.
Then you got your little seats. The
Look at
roof.
the roof.
That's cool, man. Another little changing room.
Yeah. Cubicles to lock you in.
And then the second last one in this wing.
Don't say, don't cry.
Wow. Look at this. You got an eagle.
And
And then on the other side you got an elephant. And ice pillars to the roof in your own room. Holding up the bed. What's this? It's just a big drip. The elephant. And the bed. Oh, look at the bow and the ice in that one.
Oh. It's a bit scary.
Should be right. Solid as a rock, mate.
No.
It's beautiful. There's the corridors. It's beautiful. And it's cold.
Yeah.
Next one?
Yeah.
Next one. What's this one?
The flying buttress. I love some of the names.
Wow. How cool is that? Oh, down there.
Hello. Take another one.
That's slide.
I like this room.
This another hole. Big hole. So it's about. Oh, that one's almost covered up, but they're about a good meter thick roof.
Yeah.
And that's the first art wing. Now we'll go to the second one.
more.
What do you think so far, Bear?
Oh, it's good.
Sarabara.
It's good. We started with art suites and now we're finishing up with them as well.
I know. Crazy.
Just looking at them one more time. Peacock, I really like
I like that peacock. I can't wait to show them the second favourite.
You know, we have an hour before we get picked up.
Okay.
This is my favorite star.
Star. I wonder if we can melt our hands in these ones. Oh, it's freezing.
Why are you doing that? I don't think you can.
No. It doesn't. Oh, yes, ever so slightly. Yeah, my hand's in there.
Can't get any.
Hold on, see if I can get my light onto it. What about now? Nah. Oh. Nah. You can barely see it with your own eyes. Alright, second art sweep. Ah, yeah. Stuff only. Cool. Oh, wow. Cool is that? Look, there's twigs in the ice.
Floor fixing.
Next one.
Floor.
Funny thing is,
We're fixing the elephant.
oh, that was my second favorite.
Oh, it's
Elephant in a
close.
room.
They're fixing in there. Live your time.
How cool is that?
Oh, this is the ship. Starship square. It's like a starship.
Ooh.
I like this one.
Counting sheep. Sarah's favorite one. There is sheep everywhere.
They have the bucks out.
They're going through the wall.
You have a guardian.
That's awesome. It's just
One under the bed.
It's just insane. And that's snow.
Yeah,
Well,
it's nice.
It's nice. Snow and ice. And sheep under the bed, one talking to you, one sitting there talking to you. Jumping. This could be my phone. Oh, this one's very dry. Only like 2 more left. That's the
Moomoo's.
Moomoo's.
This is all the heads.
This is creepy.
Some good photos.
Yeah, Sarah got some great photos here yesterday. Just all the heads.
I'm having a staring competition.
I wonder who's gonna win.
I
Oh.
will
Win.
win. Game is called I win.
You winning?
Stop. Here's the turtle.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Do you see the glass there? The glass door?
Yeah. It's really dark in here. Look at the roof. It's just beautiful.
I like how they get all the lights in.
Yeah.
On there as well.
Yeah, man.
And then we have Caesar's awake. Okay?
Yeah, man. Oh, this is cool.
This is my hiding spot.
Do you jump out of them and go,
I'm like a mummy.
do you want a picture? It's cute.
Do you want one?
No.
You took a video, right?
Yeah.
Smile.
Smile. Cute.
It's a nice one.
Go back in there. Give me the camera. Go.
Multipass.
Come on. Multipass.
Without multipass.
So cool. There you go, mate.
And that was all of the ice ones. Hey?
No, there's one more, isn't there?
I thought that was the private one.
Oh yeah, that's right. You got your private deluxe suite here, which you can't see. So it's got what has it got in it again?
It's got like a little bedroom and then like a little lounge and like a little
You got your own shower, toilet, and then here's the other one. You have you have a sauna in there as well.
Yeah, they say so.
So you
They get to stay there all
all day, all private and locked.
That's why we can see them.
That's why no one can go in ever. And that's it. And then you go to the snow and ice one, and that's all of them.
Yeah, and the ice one we showed
The
a
ice
lot, because
one.
that's the where we slept.
That one was cool. It was amazing.
Yeah, the ice one was cool. The
Beautiful.
snow one I wouldn't liked.
No, the snow one was so boring. But the elephant in the room, which we'll get pictures later, that was beautiful.
Oh, we have pictures, but they...
That was the best one. Ja. Tack så mycket.